Have you ever questioned if everything you've been told about the shape of the Earth is a lie? Could it be that we're not living on a round globe spinning in space, but rather on a flat plane, stationary and serene? Today, we delve into a theory that has sparked heated debates and has been the subject of intense scrutiny: the flat Earth theory. Imagine for a moment a world not as you know it. There's no globe. Instead, visualize a vast flat landscape stretching out in all directions. The North Pole sits at the center, a frozen beacon of stability. The continents, familiar and yet strangely distorted, radiate out from this icy hub. Now consider Antarctica. In this new world, it's not an island at the bottom of the globe. It's a towering ice wall, encircling the Earth's rim, holding the oceans back from spilling over the edge. Above, the sky forms a dome, with the sun, moon and stars moving in a circular path overhead. This, proponents of the flat Earth theory argue, is the true nature of the world. They point to a variety of evidences to support their claims. For one, they argue, if Earth were truly a spinning globe, wouldn't we feel the motion? Yet, the world around us feels steady and unmoving. They also question the curvature of the Earth. If the Earth is a sphere, shouldn't we see a curve on the horizon? Yet they say, the horizon always appears flat to the naked eye, no matter how high you climb. Another point often raised is the behavior of water. Water, they argue, always seeks its own level. On a spinning globe, wouldn't the oceans be pulled towards the equator, creating a bulge? Yet our oceans appear level from coast to coast. And what about the photographs of a round Earth from space? Well, they argue, those images are nothing more than sophisticated fabrications, part of a grand deception to keep us in the dark about the true nature of the world. But why, you might ask, would anyone want to hide the true shape of the Earth? The reasons, according to the flat Earth theory, are many and varied. Some suggest it's a test of faith, others argue it's a way to control the masses, and still others claim it's to hide the existence of other unknown lands beyond the ice wall. In conclusion, the flat Earth theory presents an alternate view of our world, challenging the accepted understanding of Earth as a spinning globe. It questions the evidence we've been presented with, and invites us to look at the world in a new light. Whether you find these arguments convincing or not, one thing is certain. The flat Earth theory is a fascinating exploration of our perception of reality and the nature of truth itself.